Alright, welcome to this experiment. We're going to take some red cabbage. We shredded it and stuck it in a pan. We're going to boil it to extract the juices and the color of it. Okay, so we're going to let that come to a boil. Okay, we're going to strain this red cabbage juice out now. There we go. Oh. Okay. So we got some nice purple liquid there. I'm going to pour some into our jar. Okay, so what happens if we add... What are we going to add first? Teaspoon of each white vinegar. Where's our vinegar? Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of white vinegar, like a teaspoon maybe. And we'll stir it. Stir that. So what happened? It turned pink. Yeah? Yes? Okay. Let's leave that in there. It's pink now. Okay. The soap flakes didn't seem to do anything, did it? But let's try. We got some soap flakes here. Soap flakes and see what that does. Stir it up. Maybe got a little foggier. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We have some cream of tartar. Add a little bit of that. See what that happens. No. It's a non-sponsored video. Stir that. Anything happen with that? It doesn't look like it. How about if we put some baking soda? Baking soda. Baking soda in there. Oh, it's bubbly. Bubbly. It's so bubbly. Oh, it's really bubbly. Okay. Get it inside. Okay, what changed the color last time? Bleach changed it white.
Baking powder?
Did you put vinegar in it?
Yeah, put in baking powder.
Put in baking powder?
I think it turned it green.
Let's put some baking powder in there.
Oh no.
Well, baking powder got rid of the bubbles. What turned it green?
That was the bleach.
Bleach turned it white. Let's put some baking powder in there. More baking powder.
I thought the bleach turned it yellow and then green.
Let's try some baking soda now. We've turned green. Okay, so maybe if we add... Oh, is it changing the color?
It's kind of green now.
Yeah, it looks like it's turning a little greenish. Yeah, it's like back to purple maybe. No? Well, okay, let's add some
Vinegar.
Oh! Whoa! Help us! Help us!
Oh no!
Okay. Yeah, there we go.
Add some baking powder so the bubbles go down.
Baking powder to kill the bubbles.
Yes. Not sure if that did anything. Yeah.
Okay, let's put some bleach in there. Yes.
Not sponsored.
Powerful. Just kills everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
and
turning
look, turn white.
pus color.
Look at that. Now it turns into a jar of pus. How come it didn't turn green this time?
No, it's like white.
Oh. Okay.
I
Thanks.
think, did we not clean out the jar?
What if we add some baking soda now? Probably won't do anything. I don't know. How do we get it back to pink?
Add some tartar, yeah.
Add some tartar? Think we can turn it pink again?
I thought the white vinegar turned it back to purple.
White vinegar. Add some white vinegar. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's I don't know.
Help us. Okay. Then if we add some more juice.
I don't think. I think. Oh, that smell. Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
So there we have it. Make sure. Thanks for watching, everyone.